Welcome to The Clean Break, a podcast all about insights in the world of cleaning, where we dig into little known secrets of the cleaning industry and pose a question. Are you sure it's really clean? I'm your host, Bita Safari. I'm the CEO of GiGO Clean Technology. My interest in the cleaning industry has driven my team and I to research the best cleaning solutions around. In each episode, we will be looking behind closed doors with respected professionals to explore the world of cleaning and how it impacts you and your family. It's time for you to get a clean break. Listen to bi-weekly episodes of The Clean Break on your favorite podcast listening platforms and also watch our video podcast on the GiGO Clean YouTube channel. See you soon.